Hello and welcome here. Oh, David Bradley in the TV room here. Here is the third Commodore 128 that I just brought out of the car, and it looks quite beautiful. I'm not going to open it up first. What I'm going to do, power switch is off. I have a power supply that you see the secret, the biggest, what's going on here? There we go. The biggest secret of troubleshooting is don't do more than one thing at a time, because then you don't know what you've done and what you haven't done and what's what. So I'm going to let the monitor warm up for a moment. The power supply is in. Oh, hang on 1 second. All right, to continue. All right, so we're going to turn this on and see what comes up on the screen. All right, nothing. I'm going to press the reset button, push down the 4080 display. Well, maybe I'll turn it off. Maybe that didn't do it. I see nothing. And I didn't push this. I'm in the right mode. All right, I'm going to turn this off and press the Commodore button. See what's what. Oh, what a shame. The most lovely, lovely, lovely looking machine is doing nothing. Well, I'm going to put this in. This is the 4-in-1 diagnostic cartridge from RETROREWIND.CA. I'm going to put this in and just see. I'll put it on the dead test. Just see if anything comes up. I don't think it will. But you never know, you know. You never know, you know. I'll put the reset button again. And see what I see. And what I see is nothing. I'm going to grab this 128 here a second. Yeah, the 4080 switch should be in the upward position. I'm just trying very hard not to snap a key off. All right, going to. Okay, it is off. I'm going to switch to a different thing here on the retro rewind testing thing. And nothing is happening. All right, well, I'll put it on the diagnostic. Turn it off, turn it on. And yeah, there's something definitely wrong with this. Okay, so I'll take this out. The power is off. One thing I might do is turn it back on. See, I see something happening here, but I don't see anything. And I'm thinking back to, it was a VIC 20 that I have over here. It's a pet keyboard one. It's rare. It's lovely. It's beautiful. I'm fond of it. But it took a while for it to come to life. And I'm thinking, well, maybe this will take a little while. But maybe not. So I will hold the Commodore key down. Turn it on. So definitely something here is not right. That's too bad. Too bad. It is, of the three, it is the most lovely. But it's not happening. All right. So, but it's giving, like there's a flash. So something is happening. All right. Commodore 128. Oh, I guess I should call this Ottawa number 3. I should call the other one Ottawa number 2. Not working. Screen flash. CA 1 2 5 4 5 2 3 0 9 85. Nice case. Well, that's too bad, but not surprising. None of these I suspected would work. So one of them seems to. It does seem so. Oh, don't do that. Why is it whenever I go to stick down a corner, something happens? Something happens. So I could open this up now, but I'm not going to because I'm just going to set it down here. Because you see, I don't want things to fall down. Why would I do that? Well, because you see, a couple of power supplies came with this batch of stuff, and I want to see if they're okay. So I'm going to grab the other 128 and see what I see. I am. So, we'll see about that next time. We shall. Anyway, have a lovely day. David Bradley here in the TV room. Signing off for now. Bye for now.